Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm an express service advisor here at Mazda. I'm really enjoying living in the Tri-Cities. It's a lot bigger than my hometown in Sela. It's beautiful. There's a lot more to do here. So I started working here at Mazda in March of this last year, kind of showing me the ropes around cars, the inventory, the people in the automotive industry. A little bit about me is when I'm not at work, I love to spend my time in the outdoors. I love playing disc golf, especially in the spring and summer when it's super nice out. I love playing tennis and kind of just other sports, even if I'm not very good at them. Other than that, in the summers, I love being on the water, boating, and jet skiing and stuff like that. My favorite vehicle would be anything with a convertible top. Now that you have learned a little bit more about me, come see me at McCurley Integrity Mazda, where I can help you with your vehicle.